Ayan na.
Yes, sir!
Episode 3.
Go!
Episode 3. Musta? Every night ba kayo book?
Yeah.
Grabe. Sana all.
Punta ka dito. Bakit gusto mo ng booking every night?
Restaurant?
Eto na.
Rostender!
Yes, sir!
Ito na. Special guest.
Good evening to your fans, Brad.
Grabe yung Justin D.
Ito na. Special guest. Dali lang.
Si Jonah Chantong. Kailangan mag 100 followers si Jonah, guys. Sa mga hindi pa nagpa-follow.
Wala siyang followers kaya di siya maka-join.
Pinlag ko na nga siya eh. Pinlag ko na account niya eh.
So kumain ka na ba, Miss Chef?
Malinis yan yun. Kaya kakakain lang po namin.
Kamusta ang newfound fame natin?
Famous na yan si Neil D.
Hindi, ikaw.
Ano na?
Ikaw?
Ito na. Ready na ba kayo?
I want to thank all the Bradley fans, ha?
Nawala yung boys
For
night
being
out.
nice and kind.
Ito na yung bago.
Sino mga ano?
Nakita ko nag-live kayo kahapon, ha? Ayun! Guys, sa mga walang ginagawa, visit us in Siva naman.
Yeah, we're the new boys night out.
So, di ba? Let's have a chat in Siva.
Si Jonah, di pa niya nami-meet si Parina eh, no?
Okay, pakilala mo.
Pakilala mo!
Natin.
Nako!
Pakilala natin.
Pinakilala ko na nga, di ba? Mga bench models ng mga chef natin eh.
Paano ka pa eh? May pa-hype ka pa eh.
Oh, Brody, 10 years ago yun, ha?
10 years ago na yun.
10 years ago yun.
Grabe.
Pero parang
Pogi ka pa rin.
hilaw pa kayo nun eh.
Mukha pa ba kaming fresh? Or
Hilaw na hilaw eh. Ngayon, hinog na.
Hinog na.
Hinog na. Teka, saan si Parina?
I need your followers to follow me kasi I can't go live.
Follow Jonah.
What's your handle, Jonah? Sa mga hindi pa nagpa-follow, please follow.
Yeah, please follow so I can join the live.
Follow, like, and subscribe.
I only have 26 followers. I need to
we're-
reach 100.
Lahat kami dito new sa TikTok eh, so we need your help.
Yeah.
Jonah Chantong. JONAHCHANTONG. Mans, watch it. Thank you po.
Yan.
Support us, millennials.
Support us. Alam nyo guys, dream talaga namin magka-podcast eh. So,
Yes.
diba, hopefully one day makagawa kami ng podcast
So,
for you guys.
ano yung natin yan? Yung atake natin tonight, we're gonna do boys night out ha. Accept tayo mga caller.
Accept tayo callers. Yes.
Okay. So, may mga ano tayo.
Yeah,
Yeah,
man.
man. Ano na tayo? So go lang guys, where we can see your requests. Go lang. We will take your love life.
Yun na nga eh.
May isa pa.
Gago na
Yo! Oy! Yo,
Parang
yo!
meeting lang ah. Parang Zoom meeting lang.
How do you say
Happy birthday muna kayo.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Guys! I'm shy. Kayo na. Nathan's showing his face na, guys. He's not shy na daw.
Ano yung good evening sa Bisaya?
Mayong gabi.
Mayong
gabi.
Ay,
Ayong gabi.
Guwapa, oh.
Neil knows.
Pan, sabihin
mayong
mo nga.
gabi.
Sabihin mo nga, you're so beautiful.
Ay, guwapa yun.
Ha?
Guwapa ka kaayo. Guwapa ka kaayo.
Ito rin, guwapa oh.
Sino? Nasaan si Joyce? Pakita mo naman yung girlfriend mo.
Oh, where is Miss Amanda daw? Where's Miss Amanda?
Uy, where's Miss Amanda? Lahat ng mga girlfriends,
Come
Come here. All the girlfriends.
Tapos screenshot.
Yan.
Screenshot.
Yay.
Ayun naman, next we just
Ito, aabangan nyo sino nandito. Aabangan nyo. Who's the lucky girl?
Mingle and ready to mingle.
Yeah, so this months, guys, abangan nyo. The lucky girl reveal. Siguro by December, I'll reveal the lucky girl.
Yun.
Justin, single ka ba daw?
As of now, single, but by December, we'll reveal the lucky girl.
Schedule.
Ano ba type mo?
Type ko. Wala. Basta nice siya. Kind siya. Oh, ganun. Simple lang ako. Diba? Oo, basta ako mamahalin ko siya.
Yun.
Yun lang, diba?
Paano ka ba magmahal, Justin? Sabihin mo sa mga paano ka magmahal?
Paano ko magmahal? Paano nga ba? Ako ba yung interview nyo? Diba tonight's about the life?
Intro muna. Tapos accept na caller.
Accept na yung caller, hindi naman to about me.
Hindi.
Galing ha, pwede pala na galing.
Oh. So guys, si Chef sa Siva, bisitahin nyo naman kami, diba? Para ma-meet nyo si Chef.
Papakanton ako dito. May ano nagsabi.
Papakanton.
Oh, ano ba gusto niyo food, guys? Ano bang gusto niyo lutuin ni Chef?
Basta luto mo.
Oh. Ang ganda nung naka-apron, yes. She is a celebrity. Celebrity chef siya.
Kagabi, ano yung talk show namin kagabi?
Oh, guys, if you guys support us, pag, di ba, ngayon 1K views na, next time pag naka-podcast kami, gagawa kami ng live cooking show.
Yun. Pwede.
Oo, di ba?
Pag naka 10k viewers.
Viewers, followers. Kaya sa mga hindi pa nagpo-follow, please follow.
Kailangan pag 10k, nakaubad na tayo.
Mahirap 10K.
Topless na yun. Dapat topless 10k.
Ano, game ba yun? Topless, 10k views?
Huwag naman tayo magpa.
Ikaw muna, JD.
Ano, first guest. Game ba?
Pasok na, pasok.
Okay, first guest.
Walang nagre-request.
Guys, pasok na. Request tayo.
Ito, first guest. Tingnan natin kung mag-accept siya. Miss Marina. Oh
my God.
What's the girl?
What's the problem?
Hello.
Marina.
Hello.
Marina, you're supposed to look in the top topping, right?
Am I edible tonight?
You're edible.
Hello?
Hi.
Okay. Hello, bakit lahat naka-pink? Lahat ba pinkish white glow dito?
Yes.
Jonah, Parina, this is
Parina si Jonah.
Oh, there's something new to hear.
Yes.
Hello.
Hi, Besh. Hello.
What is gonna be the name of that kind of?
Labubu?
Jowa.
Jowa.
Yeah.
It's familiar to me.
Ikaw, bakit Parina G?
It's the secret
Secret siya.
and soon to be announced to you. For the meantime, it's not for that kind of. How is everybody's tonight?
We need your help. Wala kaming followers.
Helping.
Si Jonah needs followers.
What?
Yeah, 26 followers pa lang siya. Kailangan mong i-plug. Turuan mo siya
Okay,
paano
so mga
mag-plug.
hindi pa nag-follow, please follow.
Yun.
So the camera can be open cam.
Sa mga hindi nag-open cam. Bakit saan na ba yung famous nyo na friend? He's gonna be absent himself for the second time around, he's not gonna be with us.
Tommy.
So busy.
Tommy. Si Tommy.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Where is he?
Or is there a lot of people in here and this personality is not familiar of?
Because they all want to zoom in.
Who is gonna be the introduction to them?
The girlfriends. The wife and the girlfriend.
Or are they
Pakilala
gonna
ko
be the
yung,
present?
fiancé ko sa'yo, Parina.
Hi, Chef!
Here.
Hello! We're the same face card, never declared.
Yes, the oval shape. The oval shape, same hair. What do you call that hair,
Yes.
Marina?
What?
What do you call that hair? Your hair. What's the hairstyle?
Nursing.
Nursing hair.
Nursing of the hair fall. Anyway, nice meeting. What is gonna be the name of the kind of? What's gonna be the name of?
English.
What is gonna be the name of that kind of wife?
Amanda.
Oh, Amanda.
Amanda.
Hindi kita maintindihan eh.
Sorry.
Tagalog mo.
Tagalog ba?
Nahihirapan ako eh.
Tagalog ba? Pasensya.
Tagalog eh. Di ba Parina na-miss mo si Chef the other night? Nag-live daw sila
Oo,
kagabi.
pero ngayon hindi na.
Ayun.
Thank you po sa presence of everyone tonight.
Okay,
Why is the...
Nathan, your turn.
What?
Oh, ay, may Nathan pa nga pala. Hello po.
Hello, Perina.
Good evening, sir. What is gonna be the do today?
I'll introduce my girlfriend also, the birthday girl.
Wow!
Hi!
Hi, what is gonna be the name of that kind of...
Bisaya.
Bisaya mo? Hello, ate. Bisaya mo, hello, ate.
Wait. This is so funny.
Kaayo.
Ilonggo also, Ilonggo.
Are you gonna speak of dahil gaynon?
Jutay lang.
Jutay lang, perfect. Nagaintindihan na, good tayo. Where you from?
Bacolod.
Yeah, are you from here in the same thing?
Our family is from Bacolod.
Oh, hello, fam. Hello, titas. Are you the celebration of the mascara for this month?
Yes.
Are you gonna come here
It's a
yourself?
celebration of her age.
No.
Nathan lang daw for you.
Oh, Nathan. Oh no, it's all yours. Too. I am behave myself. I am no longer the insert to the kind of between of your relationship. Okay, how is everybody doing tonight?
Justin is looking for the friend of the girl, so we can talk.
Everyone has the partner themselves.
Except.
I have the part.
Justin.
Or Justin.
Yeah.
Okay, so what's wrong with the
Hahanapan natin si Justin.
Zoom class.
Are you absent to the what do you call this? To the giving of certificate? Why you're single?
Because, yes, I was sick.
Oh,
Sick.
I'm sorry to hear, but anyway, I hope everyone is doing well and happy with the relationship of singular or plural.
Plural, yeah.
So Brad is floral, Nathan is floral, Chef is floral. How about the other guy?
The jowa.
Moral din yan.
The Joa is floral or singular?
He has financing.
Moral or singular?
Floral.
Nahirapan naman ako.
Or singular.
May jowa na?
He has soon to be financing.
Naana.
Oh.
Yun pala.
So si Justin na.
Singular or plural?
Gets na lang.
Sorry, slow kami. Slow kami.
Mag-gets na lang. Sige na, sigon ta. Sige. Bilisan lang natin ang pag-catch up sa ating mga discussion.
Plural ako. Bagsak namin.
Sino dito ang mga naka-catch up lang ng mga topic?
You're the professor?
Yes. Okay, everyone get 1/4 and timer starts now. Anong episode ba ngayon, Mr. Organizer? Episode 3?
Yeah,
And what
but
is
it's
gonna be
the
the
first
deal?
complete episode.
The other classmate is the draft out and busy talking to the people is foreigner, singer, and I have seen a lot of videos kind of.
Jason is communicating.
Oh yeah.
And he's gonna be the battle of the point.
Oh, okay. Don't mind.
Yes.
Anyway, what is the thing that we are gonna be the do? What you gonna do with the dessert?
No, we will gonna be acceptance of the guest, and they'll talk to you about the problem.
Anong topic natin?
Ano yung topic natin? Talagang gusto ni Chef mag-Tagalog na.
Yes.
Love life and career.
Gusto ano po?
Love life and career.
I love life and career. Maybe I'm not gonna be the suit to hear with a love life kind of
You're
things.
good in that. You're good in that.
But Karina, you have to sing happy birthday to the
Who is the celebration?
celebration of Nathan.
Oni, it's your birthday.
To the partner.
To the partner.
Okay,
To the jowa.
your partner is
Mascara.
appearance to the screen. Go yourself.
The partner's
Partner appearance to
and
the
then
screen.
Jowa. Go na.
the partner's
Okay.
birthday.
Okay, today we are gonna be the sing along of the birthday song to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy everybody to you.
I'm
Happy
sure.
birthday, happy birthday. You are the celebration today.
Okay.
Blue your cake, green your cake, or it depends.
Saan si Tommy? Saan si Tommy? Bakit galit siya?
Naiinip si Chef, ha? Naiinip si Chef.
Chef, gusto na ni Chef magtagalog talaga.
Oo, naiinip si Chef.
Chef, pag ako ba nakita ko sa live, nagtanong ka, parang kailan ka magmamanila?
Nilutuan ka ni Chef. Yes.
Tutuan kita.
Pag ako ba magmanila, may pagkain dyan.
May special dish for you.
Special menu.
Ano ba request mo? Ano bang gusto mong dish?
Bubusugin ka
Bacolod
namin.
ka, di ba?
Ano po?
Ano po yung dish mo, your request kay Chef?
Gusto ko ng fish.
Fish.
Opo.
Anong klaseng fish po?
Meron ba kayong isdang tambasakan? Ay, hindi na lang.
Maming.
Ano yun?
May maming ulit.
Ano yun?
May...
Magseva kayong lahat. Sige ba? Sige ba?
Sige ba?
Is the seva is open to each and every single one?
Yes, of course. Punta ka dito.
Sa mga hindi pa nagseva, please seva.
Yun.
Ayan. O, nakarami na akong plug dito ng mga favorite. Dapat may promo ha, Chef?
Free na, free. Sorry na.
Free.
Sorry na, free.
Sige.
Punta ka dito,
I'm excited.
papakainin kita ng masarap na food.
Sige. Excited ako.
Kailan ka ba magmamanila?
I'm gonna chat na ng the organizer about it.
Alright.
Organizer, are you listening? Listen by Beyonce.
I'm planning already. I'm planning.
Who is the pickup?
Who is the pickup? Is there gonna be the pickup if I'm gonna arrive?
The pickup is me, myself, Kuya Marlon, and Tommy.
Okay, that's perfect. I am gonna update you when is the perfect calendar for
Ito
that.
kay Kuya Marlon.
Okay, and Chef is gonna whip himself to the Seva.
Yes.
How about Justin?
To the Seva, to the kitchen.
To the kitchenware.
Yes, to the kitchen.
How about Nathan?
To the kitchen.
Or just the three of you in the kitchen?
Yes.
Yes.
Kitchen na daw?
Yes.
How about the other guy that is beside the chef?
He's
In the dining.
Front desk.
front desk. Yes, the concierge.
Front desk.
How about the wives?
At home. Housewife.
At the house. Okay, so they are gonna behave themselves.
Yes,
Yes.
because they want the wives to be only in the house.
Okay, the wives. To all the wives of this personality, please stay in your house because I am the only wife that is gonna present for the night.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Perfect.
Perfection.
Perfection.
Perfect. Are you gonna busy yourself every day or not? Like, lahat ba may mga papel na ginagawa every day or wala naman?
Meron ba?
Lahat. Baka pagdating ko
Ay,
dyan,
magbabay ka sa live. Hello, bye live.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
bye!
Nice to meet you, Parina.
Nice to meet you po, Jowa.
See you soon.
See you soon talaga, promise. Are you in the office?
Yes, we are in the office.
Why are you not going home? It's late. Night talks.
Because our work is at night po.
Oh, so do you go to the sleeping child or
Where?
yourself? Hindi ka natutulog?
Natutulog naman.
Nandito
Grabe
kasi
ka naman.
kanina. Pagod na si Chef eh.
Kaya nga, matulog ka na muna. Matulog ka na.
Tulugin mo na daw yung utak ni Chef. Pagod na.
Namiss niyo pagtulog, no? How about, okay, this is the question. Anong oras kayo natutulog? Bakit kayo pink? Baka may mga secret kayong gustong i-share.
Ano, oras kami natutulog?
Oo.
Late sila Chef matulog eh, diba?
Ikaw, Chef Needy.
Ako mga 12.
12.
12, 1, 2. Ganun.
Ikaw po, Sir Nathan.
Ako depende sa jowa ko.
Ay, perfect.
Perfect answer, no?
Hi, joy to the world, the Lord.
Uy! Stolen kiss. Boom.
Perfect. No, kasi
Perfect.
sweet
How
and
about ikaw,
sour.
Karina? Anong oras ka natulog?
Ako, maaga na ako nagtutulog. Morning na.
Alone or with someone?
Yun eh. Sabi, yung last live namin, si Parina mahilig mag-party. Bro,
Oo.
Oh,
Anong 5 a.m.
Party ba kayo, bro?
ako. Bro, mahilig ka din.
Bro, pagdating ko siya, mag-party tayo, bro.
Okay ka pala dito sa amin.
Oo. Bro.
Ma-party kayo, bro?
Yeah, bro.
Sa amin, bro.
Grabe naman.
Bro,
Sige, galingan natin. Ano?
Papainom tayo, shots tayo.
Party lang ako, bro. Sayo lang ako. Okay na ako.
Oo,
doon.
walang tagay.
Habang
Ano hinihilig
si
mo,
Chef,
Parina? Ano mahilig mo inumin? Anong hilig mo inumin?
tubig lang po. Hindi ako umiinom, bro.
Ayaw mo ng cocktail? Parina?
I don't drink po kasi.
Ayaw mo ng cocktail? Parina?
I don't drink po
I
kasi.
don't know. May
Pasensya
mocktail
na
naman. May
po.
mocktail naman.
Mocktails is perfect to me.
Mocktail.
Mocktails. Okay.
Mocktail over cocktail.
Mocktail lang tayo.
Matcha. Uminom ka ng matcha.
Yes, matcha. I mean, minsan mahilig kami sa matcha and the other friend of mine.
Joyce din. Joyce, favorite niya matcha.
Hello, matcha girl!
Sarap yung matcha namin.
Masarap yung matcha nyo.
Oo. Pag hindi pa, sa mga hindi pa nakakatayo ng brunch menu.
So mga hindi pa nag-matcha, please matcha.
Matcha na sila doon.
Ayan. Ikaw, Sir Justin D, what is your favorite,
Ano?
drink?
May drink.
Kung
Mahilig
nagpa-party.
sa cocktail din, Parina.
Ha?
Mahilig sa cocktail?
Mahilig siya?
Sa cocktail, yes.
Wow, perfect. Hindi ka nagma-mocktails?
Hindi ako mahilig sa mocktails eh. I like it, gusto ko yung strong, kaya kong paglaban.
Yung mapakit? Yung parang ampalaya?
Yes, tequila tayo.
Ang tequila. Hindi ako umiinom. Sayo lang ako. Okay na ako doon. Zumba kami na lang ni Tommy.
Okay.
Mag-Zumba tayo na uniform. May nga lang dito. Tommy, Zumba.
Ganun pa.
Perfect.
Ano, Brad?
Bakit wala siya?
Sino na yung, guest caller?
Sige, accept na ako
Ano po?
I will accept the caller now.
Oo.
Okay?
Am I gonna exit myself already?
No. You'll be the host. Okay.
Ikaw walang host ga?
We'll give them
Ayan.
advice. We'll give them advice.
Alright. Ayan.
Alright. Okay, first up. Pasok natin. Kanina pa ito naghihintay. Dayan.
Who is gonna be that? Dayan Castillejo, patrol ng Pilipino.
Hi.
Good morning.
Open
Good
cam
evening,
po.
Dayan. You're
Hello
live
po.
with the Cheat
Ayan.
Open cam po.
Episode 3. How can we help you po?
Patulog na po.
Ay, good night.
Good
Dayan.
night, sweet time.
Ito lang naman pala ang good night ng mga
Yes.
pink na
Paano
to.
masarap ang tulog mo, madam?
Parang hindi po kasi gigising pa po ng 4 a.m.
Wow. Matulog ka na. Matulog ka na.
It's
Sige po,
perfect po.
bye.
Mag-rest ka na po. Miss Dayan,
Po,
happy ka naman na nakita mo yung mga kulay pink na to?
super po, super.
Sige. Pa-screenshot na lang po. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Maraming salamat.
Thank you po.
Good
Good night.
Miss
Good night.
Dayan.
Good night. Sweet dreams. Good night.
Perfect. Grabe.
Baka gusto nilang lahat. Mag-good night lang tayong lahat sa kanila.
Kaya nga, gusto lang makita yung mga
Mag-perfect ng live tonight. Isa-isayin natin silang i-good night.
good night na lang. Good night galing sa mga chinita.
Tapos, iwa 1, 2, 3 mo. Okay.
Screenshot.
Screenshot.
Dumadami na. Nasa 20.
Yun yung bagong gana. Yun yung bagong trend.
Yung ganap natin.
Yun yung ganap, oo.
First, i-interview muna.
Okay.
Kilala ano ang estado sa buhay, anong mga pangyayaring nagaganap.
Kung may gustong i-share,
Yes, who is gonna be the next in line?
Winnie
We have
the Pooh.
Winnie the Pooh.
Winnie not the Pooh.
Winnie
Tadya.
the Pooh.
Tadya kay Kinartons, bebe.
Hello.
Mukhang nurse, parang nurse si ma'am.
Open cam ta, ma'am. Bossy Winnie the Pooh man niya.
Hello.
Opo, ang nagsigibiga. Kita ka, bisang ka Winnie the Pooh, dabe.
Hello, guys.
Hello, Miss Winnie the Pooh is gonna be the...
Napadpad sa live namin.
Pupunta ka, Winnie the Pooh.
Ay, matutulog ka na rin, ha?
Hi.
Yes.
Good morning. Parang umaga dyan. Parang umaga.
Yes. May sana po.
Ah, may sana. Where are you, ma'am? Where is your present tonight?
Po?
Where is your present?
Sa bahay na po.
Ah, saang lugar ka po ngayon? Bakit maaga na dyan?
Char lang. Sa Davao lang po.
Ah, may... Sorry.
Nasa lighting.
Araw na pala sa Davao. Sana
Yes.
all. Ayan.
Maganda yung skincare ni ma'am. Maganda yung
Glass
skincare.
skin. Glass skin.
Oo, glass skin.
Tulog na.
Patulog na din po.
Good night. Gusto mo ba ng good night sa mga pinkish white glow?
Yes.
Ay,
Nag-iyak.
Gusto mo? Perfect. Okay. Everyone, good night na.
alright. Good night. Good night.
Sabay. 1, 2, 3, go.
Good night.
Yan. Ma'am, pa-screenshot na lang po. 1, 2. Post kayo, boy.
Sige, boss.
Pa-screenshot po. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Ayan. Thank you po.
You guys.
Grabe.
Perfect yun.
Pwede pala tayo dito mag-promote ng skincare, eh, no? Sa
Oo,
mga hindi
pwede.
pa follow, please follow
Please
para
follow.
one day matuloy yung podcast namin, di ba? Tapos live selling na natin lahat ng
Tapos may pagkain kasi
Oo.
foodcast. Sarap.
So basically, lahat, food, skincare, lahat ng gusto nilang i-endorse natin.
Sige.
And and Parina, ikaw yung moderator natin.
Ah, sige.
Oo.
Ako gusto niyo ng yung ibang guest na papasok.
Yun, ang bilis. Uy,
Si Ma'am Kimi Dora.
Di, alam.
parang beautiful ni Kimi, ah.
Lumapit ka.
Ubo si Justin.
Pero I had to look at that DP.
Baka
Ano ng IG?
Yung DP niya medyo...
Nick!
Open cam, tama.
Oh, shit!
Nick!
Yo!
Chef Mangali.
Yo!
What's up, bro?
Chef Mangali.
No, my wife forced me to go on.
That's good. That was a good one.
Chef Mangali, kamusta ang hinigaran?
Okay, good. Yung mga manok, Marina.
Ito yung extra namin, sideline namin siya.
Hindi nga ako nakapunta dun sa Seve the other day, the last time we were in Manila.
Ayun, let me know when you're here.
Yeah, definitely.
Magkakilala kayo?
Yeah, we know each other.
Uy,
Bacolod naman
Yes, sir.
we'll visit Bacolod.
No problem. At home kayo dito.
Bacolod.
Yeah. Sayang, fully booked kayo when we were there.
Oo nga, we were fully booked pare. Until now, dude, we just got medyo free time like last 2 weeks ago.
What's your resto, chef? What's your resto there?
Sa Uma Farm Bar and Kitchen.
O yun. Sa lahat ng mga viewers, sa Bacolod, that's a place to be.
Ito si Parina, she made a video before.
Wow! Sikat ka pala, Marina, eh.
Iba.
Sorry po, maingay po kasi ang mga chick. Ayan. Kasi hindi pa natulog ang mga chicken.
Nilulutuin na nila, chef, yan. Pag
Kaya nga si Chef to, kilala ko. Hello, Chef.
Hello. Nakita ko video mo. At least nice to meet you ngayon.
Yes po. Good evening po. Ausas. Musta? Hindi ka gani siya? Di ba? Bili ka lang, local.
Hinigaran.
Ambal ko dun. Ay, wait lang.
Nick, wala kang service?
Meron. But we
Naman sila, guys.
Hanggang 12, no?
Yeah. Natapos na dinner, so ito na kami. Live na.
New Gigton, new Gig.
Pa-screenshot, tadanay. Chef, ma-picture, tadanay. Sige na. Pa-screenshot, guys. Dapat ang pinaka-cute yung video post.
Mga chef, mga sikat na chef.
Go na. Mga chef, everyone pa-screenshot po. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Bigat ng gitna ka.
Thank you po sa pag-guest
Galing ng
sa
prank na yun.
akin.
Galing ng prank na yun.
Siguro, pwede na po akong mag-exit. Masaya na po ako sa
Sabi nga ni Kim, sabi niya, mag-live ka, pero we'll use my account. Sabi ko, okay, sige ko.
Grabe yun, grabe yun.
Justin.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Uy,
Yari ka, boy. Yari ka, boy.
Wala na sa chef.
Lapit mo pa! Lapit mo pa!
Wala sa exposure.
It's a prank.
It's a prank!
Sa Frank, na-scam ka.
Scam tayo, nakita mo yun, Parina.
Ano yun?
Huwag ka kasi atat. Ano ka muna? Back off ka muna.
Ano yun? Hindi ko na-gets. I am out of this world.
Hindi kasi...
Who's the next one? Who's the next one?
Hindi, yung DP kasi niya, akala niya, girl. Tapos si Justin lumapit. Uy! Tapos bigla.
But pag open ng camera,
It's a France.
it's a France.
Ay, nako. Ito. Pasok tayo na... Ito.
Grabing energy sa mga pinkish white.
Hindi na ako lalapit.
Victoria.
Martini, hindi na ako lalapit sa'yo.
Hi, Martini. Good evening.
Open cam,
Ayoko lumapit kay Martini.
If it's okay with you,
lesson learned ka na, Justin.
Hello.
Oh. Good morning.
Ay ko lang.
Kakagising ko lang. Kakagising ka nga. Hindi.
Hindi na pa ko galantaw live niyo. Nahulat na kamo.
Taga din si Martini.
Iloilo. Pero
Ligay
adik
nun.
ko sa Tarlac.
Ako na bahala kay Ligay nun yan. Kamusta si Martini? Taga diin Iloilo.
Okay,
Ara sa buong sa Tarlac.
Ako.
Pati sige. Ano ang nag-udyok sa inyo nga ma-join sa live? Gusto mo good night
O
sa
ay,
mga
permit
pinkish
na lang
white?
ka ginalantaw.
Ako?
Fan ka niya?
Salamat sa support. Gusto mo good night man sa ila?
Oo.
Boys, namiang good night.
Mag-sleep na ba si Martini? Mag-sleep na siya?
Sleep ka na ba?
Hindi pa naman.
Hindi pa.
Pero good night lang yapon kay deserve mo na yan. Para maganda naman ang tulog mo.
Mag-good siya. Thank you.
Alam mo ang gaganda ng skin ng mga guests natin sa TikTok, ha? Alam mo ang secret nila?
Buti pa sila. O sige na. Stay put lang po tayo. Parang ganito po. 2x2.
2x2?
2x2 lang ta, ma'am. Araw. Ayan. Boys, mag-stay kayo ng ganito.
Ano, game?
Miss Martini, maganito ka. Okay na wala na post mo. Baka nataya ka.
Yeah,
Ano
no?
ko sine?
Ayan, 2x2.
2x2.
Sige, pa-screenshot, ma'am. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Pa-screenshot mo na gusto yung isaya ka lang.
Tawan-tawa siya.
Ma'am, na-screenshot ka na namon. Na-screenshot na.
Okay na. SSD na. SSD.
FB10.
Shotgun na.
Good night, ma'am.
Thank you. Good night na, boys.
Thank you. Good night, Martini.
Am I gonna stay still?
Pasok na lang sila ng pasok, gano'n.
Or am I gonna exit myself, boys?
Gusto mo dalawa-dalawahin mo na, Brad, eh. Tatlo ako pa.
yung ano kasi dapat love life eh. Tapos pinapag-good night niya.
Love life. Isang love life. Isang
Ikaw yung organizer dito.
Q&A
Ano
naman.
sinabi sa akin?
Q&A natin yun,
Paano
ba?
naman natin? Pasalita naman natin.
Sige, ikaw na mag-interview muna, tapos sabihin mo kung mag-good
Sa
night.
mga hindi pa nagpa-follow, please follow. Niggy D, Justin D, Nathan D,
Ano din to eh.
Marina G, si Bradley Trice, wag na, marami na yan eh. Tapos si Jonah Chantong.
Amanda dito.
And Amanda Howe, Chef Amanda.
JCL. Hello.
What's this? Oh my god.
Oh my God.
accidentally clicked it. Sorry.
Oh my
You're
God.
here na rin eh.
He's a spoken dollar, Farina.
Let's just talk to you. If you have any problems, we're here for you.
I don't have problems.
Oh,
Wait,
grabe.
this is so funny.
Oh, good evening.
Sana all. Are you
Well,
single?
sorry,
Hindi, ganito na lang. Are you single?
Yeah. Oh, sorry.
The dog is barking.
Uy, the dog is...
My dog.
Who let the dogs out?
Perfect.
Oh, well, the person above you is also single.
Yes.
Yes.
Are you looking? Are you available?
Oh, there is dog.
Hindi nagpapakute siya sa'yo.
My dog?
Yeah, what's the name of your dog?
Mga
Copa.
pink sila balaga.
Bishon?
Yeah, she's a mini Bichon.
Oh, that's my dream dog, Bishon.
Yun.
Yun.
She's from
What's your dog?
Korea.
What's your dog,
She's so
Justin? What's your
tiny.
dog?
Korea? From Korea, imported pa.
Yeah.
This,
Hi.
Diba,
does,
Justin also?
does your dog have siblings?
No.
Oh, single dog, single child. Only child in dog.
Yeah, one and only favorite.
Cute, ah.
Yung dog lang ba cute?
Even JCL.
Wait, actually,
Joke lang. Mamaya.
I
So-
always watch you guys. I mean, like Farina.
Farina. You know Farina? What's your name? Sorry, what's your name?
Oh, I thought I am the
Jamie?
figurine.
Jamie, okay. Hi, Jamie.
Hi.
Farina, say hi to Jamie.
Hello, Jane.
Hi.
Newton.
I'm a fan. My sister is also a fan.
Oh, thank you so much.
Talk to
What
them.
number?
Talk to them,
What
Farina,
number is
in
the
your
fan?
language.
Thank you for the fans club. Number 3, number 2, electric.
I'm so sorry.
Oh, wala.
This is so
Don't
hard.
sorry,
But,
don't
you know, I'm trying to learn.
Why don't you, Jamie, why don't you try? Why don't you try?
I don't know how. It's too hard. It's only for smart people.
No. You can, this is your perfect time to try. Talking to Farina.
So hard.
It's so nice to meet you because, you know, I'm happy na.
Pleasure.
Yeah, it's a pleasure. It's
It's a
everything.
pleasure.
It's
Just
everything
how are you?
over there.
Talaga?
Everything is very, very good. How about you?
Oh, it's very well said to me.
Very well said. Okay.
Okay. If your dog is so cute.
Justin, di ba you're
Yeah.
also a dog lover?
Yeah nga, I want the Bishon also. I will message Jamie for
You're
the
game for
details of the
co-parenting. You're game for co-parenting.
Lain naman ang bida yan.
Sorry, what?
Co-parenting a Bishon.
Oh, cute! I
Arf ka,
like
arf.
your dog.
Bark ka nga, bark ka. Bark.
Bark.
Bark. Arf, arf.
Arf, arf.
Bilis. Arf, arf.
Baka si Justin ka?
Cute ng dog. Ang cute ng dog. Ba't ang cute ng dog?
Ang dog.
Ang cute ng dog, Palina. Yung manok mo, pakita mo, Palina.
Siyempre.
Tulog na.
Tulog na.
I know Farina has a cat.
Yeah!
Yes.
You're a fan
for the
talaga, ah.
fans of... But she's not gonna be
I
around
wanna
tonight.
watch. I'm bored at night, so I just watch.
Show your cat, Farina.
Hello? Hello?
Magmeow ka. Magmeow ka.
Meow ka, meow.
Meow.
Yun yung meow ko. Huwag mo ko turuan ng ibang language.
Okay.
Jamie, where did you go to school?
I went to Chinese International.
Ooh.
You're working na now.
Yeah, well, kind of part. Yeah. I work for my dad.
You just graduated.
I work for my dad.
That's nice.
Baka you want to plug your business.
Yeah, we have a 2.5k views ba to? Followers. Marami ba to, Farina?
Marami yan.
Wag, nakakahiya.
Oh, sige. Yeah. Private, only in the private.
Only in the private.
Yeah, only in the private yung plugging.
Oh yeah, you tell Justin na lang what the...
Busy kami ni Chef Niggy.
Only in the privatization.
Nagtatrabaho.
Yun, you're getting good at it.
Getting there, getting
You're
there.
getting there. Jamie, I can feel it. You're getting there.
It's too hard, grabe.
Wala,
He's willing to teach you. Kasi,
it takes practice, Jamie. It takes practice.
Yeah,
Are
I
you
know.
from Manila? Are you from Manila?
Yes.
Oh, we're gonna visit Manila.
You're gonna visit me?
Maybe you can set up a date.
We're gonna see each other and say hello to people.
Hello.
Jamie, you should visit Siva from time.
I do. I love it. I love it there.
You love it in Siva? Sige.
Hindi ka nag-Siva.
We're so far.
Why? Rapid lang yan.
Social sila, guys. Social. Bit sila yung mga joke nila, mga atake nila.
Hindi, mas social.
Hindi social.
Bakit ba kasi ako na hindi naka-pink dito ngayon. Lahat pink, lahat Chinese garter, YF, everybody is so.
Si Jamie looks like a Korean eh. Korean. Parang Korean siya.
No, I'm Chinese.
Oh, okay. So this is a...
Siya kaysa Chinese school siya.
Yeah, she...
We'll try.
Perfect. Are you guys Chinese garter players when you're kids?
Yes.
So that's why you're Chinese. Okay. Thank you for the answer sheet.
But since you're also Chinese, right?
Me?
Yeah.
New Year.
Okay. Or New Year.
It depends on the celebration.
Farina.
Jamie has a question.
Farina, I love inasal. What can you recommend in Bacolod?
Sorry, I don't
si Jamie,
know kasi. Feeling ko nagkamali ka po ng taong pinagtatanungan. Kasi I don't eat meat po. Or if you were to ask me about
I respect
in Bacolod, you can try chicken inasal, Aidas, ano pa ba? Si Brad yung tamang pagtatanungan.
Have you been to Bacolod, Jamie?
Have you been here?
I love chicken and asal, but I only like beef.
Okay, you can join the Cine Talks as we go to Bacolod.
In the world of Bacolod? Hindi pa po.
I want to.
Jamie, try Aidas mascara.
Yeah, have you tried?
Yes, very good. Malayo from the one in Makati. Malayo.
Sabi dito, Aidas daw.
Yeah, Aidas is good. And then, I haven't tried it yet, but chai roast daw is good also.
Si Justin, gabaka-baka.
Ano gabaka-baka? Ano yun?
Wala, secret na namon.
Where's Nisa? Let's invite Nisa also.
Nisa, I don't know if she's gonna be around.
Nakakadus siya kay Jamie, Farina.
Ano po?
Nakakadus siya kay Jamie.
Grabe to.
Farina, si Nisa, nasa na ba?
Ewan ko.
Wala na si Nisa.
Hindi ko alam.
Baka mag-left si Justin, Farina, if wala si Nisa. Baka mag-left.
Okay ka ba?
Baka mag-left.
Nisa is busy. Huwag mo nang hanapin.
Busy siya. Yeah.
Maybe she's...
We are the busted. Oh, hi, doggy.
Dito ka na lang kay Doggy. Is she happy?
What's the name of your dog again, Jamie?
Copa. You know the cold cuts? Copa.
A Copa.
Copa something.
Copa.
Makopa.
COPPA.
Makopa.
Uy, Copa.
Ibang social na talaga yan. Ibang social yan.
Ibang social yung name ng doggy Jamie, Farina. Copa. Like, isipin mo paano niya katatawagin si Copa pag bad si Copa?
Copa, no.
Copa, no.
Copa, stop. Stop toys.
Yeah, ganun siya.
Yeah.
Copa,
She can understand Chinese kaya. Hokkien.
Oh, siya. Okay, no?
Sample.
Copa, Chelsea.
Ano yung mga Chinese na? Hindi ko kabalo mga Chinese nga.
Wala ko. Ba?
Bad boy, bad girl, bad boy.
What did you say? Nag-lag.
Girl. She's a girl.
Oh, okay.
Copa what?
She's a girl.
Oh.
Copa girl.
Sige. Since you are gonna be the Chinese yourself, can you teach me how to doggy of the Chinese? Because it's not familiarity to them. If there's one thing that am I gonna know in Chinese, what is gonna be that kind of?
Whiny.
Okay.
Whiny.
Whiny?
Yeah.
What is gonna be the sad meaning?
Yeah, whiny.
Whiny.
You say that to Justin.
Justin, whiny.
I love you too.
Ay, ano ba yun?
Yun.
Okay, ano pa?
Wait, Farina. Tell
Yes,
Justin, wo yao ni.
Wo yao ni.
Oh my God.
Justin. Wo yao ni.
Ibig sabihin nun, Farina. I want you.
Oh. Perfect.
Perfect.
If I am gonna encounter who is the Chinese garter in the very street.
In the future of the time.
Yeah.
That's what you're gonna say.
Okay.
Where's
Perfect.
Nathan? Nathan is the disappearance.
Why? Grabe, it's absent.
Dapat pa rin na, ang dami nag-aaso. Ano daw skincare ni Jamie?
Kaya nga. Ang ganda ng skin.
Ang ganda ng skin ni Jamie, ah.
What is your
What's your
skincare?
skincare? I think the followers of Bobby like your skincare, Jamie.
Actually, no. Try the Rejuran.
The injection.
No. I don't like injections. The one's a tube. It's like color brown.
I heard about that.
What's that?
It's like salmon.
Yeah, it's like salmon DNA.
Sperm. Salmon sperm.
Huh? Talaga?
That's what they told me.
Send that to us. We need to use that skincare.
How will I send it to you guys? You guys are in the personification.
That's expensive.
That's expensive?
No, Shopee lang.
Shopee lang ba?
Yeah, we can DM. DM the serum.
Okay.
Ito na yung secret mo, Parina.
Ano po?
Skincare reveal na si Jamie.
Yung serum.
Hindi naman niya kailangan yan eh. Ganda din skin pa rin.
Super pang Miss Universe.
Thank you po sa filter. Uy, busy si Chef Miggy, para marami siyang ginagawa. Parang
nag-enjoy si Chef Miggy. Alam mo ba si Chef stress siya? Tapos, pag nakikita niya yung live mo, nadi-distress siya. Oo.
Siguraduhin mo yung
I second the motion.
Mukhang si Jamie wants to join the Chinitox, pag absent mo ba?
Hello po sa mga hindi pa naka-follow, please follow. Ay, sorry po.
We have a lot of guests in the queue, but thank you so much.
Go ahead. Bye, guys.
Thank you, Miss.
Guys, hindi pa na-follow kay JCL. Follow nyo na siya.
No, don't follow me. It's okay.
Good night. Thank you.
Good night. Walang picture? Dapat
screenshot po.
Screenshot parati every time.
Pa-screenshot po. 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Thanks.
For future.
Nice meeting you, Jamie. See you soon.
Nice meeting you guys.
Mag-ingat po kayo, ma'am.
Kung maka-see you soon too.
O ba't 4 na lang tayo?
Grabe yung Jamie na yun, Ang ganda si Jamie,
Para na naman si Justin. Parang lahat na lang papasok maganda. Kanina pa ako dito, hindi ako nakarinig ng maganda.
Diyan na nga si Parina. Naghahanap ko pa na ito.
Sige.
Grabe yun.
Chef Miggy, okay ka pa?
Okay pa.
Na-in-love ako. Nakikita ng mga fans ni...
Pasok tayo naman ng Ay, mali yung naklik ko. Sige. Hello.
Ay, mirror shot, ay.
Hello po.
Good evening, Miss.
Dodger.
Good evening, Marina.
Good evening, ma'am. What is gonna be the talk today?
Wala. Hi po, good evening.
Tulog ka na?
So, ano po yung name nyo?
Dora just try naman ta.
Junilin po.
Name?
Junilin. Taga Negros ko pa rin na.
Pila edad ni Junilin?
25.
25. Ano ni Mama Marili? Mapa-card, ma'am, or mapa-enroll? Ano ni ma'am?
Mapa-enroll.
Ano nga course?
HM.
Ay, puno na, ma'am. Dito ka na lang sa may Uniqlo.
Wala na available?
Wala na available? Wala na. Dari, ma'am,
Ay, hindi ko sa Uniqlo.
Dito ka, ma'am, tapos dito ka sa Piak, dara, may building na Punggo lang yung malawas.
Abuti mo pa rin na.
Hello, ma'am. Musta? Pila edad?
Hello. 25.
25,000 ka na taga-diin. Wait lang ha, ako niyan
Taga Cadiz.
So, good evening, sa aton nga mga chef, Justice Corona.
Good evening.
Hello, mga chef Justice Corona.
Hello, Chef Justin, Chef Negi, and then Chef Bradley.
Yeah!
Hello po.
Sige. Ano ka na, mag-Tagalog ka naman para they are gonna be able to understand the...
Ay, sige. Pero nandito po kasi ako ngayon sa Manila, Antipolo.
Ay, di perfect.
In the mountain.
Sa Siva.
Yes.
Mr. Host, ikaw na mag-interview kasi Tagalog na. I'm,
Ma'am, Ma'am Junini, baka meron po kayong advice na gustong tulong sa amin or like anything na pinagdadaanan na baka pwede kami makatulong. Pero kung wala, hindi better.
Abudo ka guidance, counselor, gwa. Tadi ganun.
Yun kasi sabi ko, tapos wala pa tayo tinutulungan.
Sige.
So, like what? About what?
Anything in life na kailangan nyo ng second opinion or may mga opinion.
Financial na ganyan ng problema.
Wala siyang alam mo, yung mga TikTok na viewers mo, wala silang problema lahat. Lahat sila masaya sa buhay.
Parina, financial. Nakanong problema, financial.
Dami ang bala financial, kay partunga, tadayon.
Di ba, alam?
Wala man, ma'am. Happy lang ang life.
Happy lang ang life. Happy lang.
Happy
si ma'am.
Happy lang.
Si Brad, binibigyan niya talaga na ano problema mo dyan.
Gusto ko lang makatulong. Pero better na rin na walang problema.
Sinacharo Santos mo no.
Kaya nga, gusto niyo talagang emotional damage talaga.
Gusto ko lang baka may
happy-go-lucky lang.
Ayun, namian ko na happy.
Para masaya ang gabi mo, i-ready mo na ang 2x2.
Ma'am, 2x2. Tamang picture, tamang.
Kagina pa naka-ready.
Sige. Pa-screenshot po. Chef Niggy, picture tanong.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Thank you.
Okay, thank you po. Good night, everybody.
Good night, ma'am.
Hello po. Hi, Ate Joyce.
Yun, Ate Joyce.
Hello po.
The Lord.
Thank you po.
Bye, ma'am.
Marina.
Miss.
Wala ka pa pala talaga.
Uy! Private ko na.
Kala ko chef ka.
What, bro?
Ba't ako Marina?
It's already private. What is gonna be the loop?
Sorry.
Bate ba yun? Bate.
Anyway, I guess I am gonna exit myself.
Last ilang colors? Last 2?
Dami.
Last 2 colors.
Last two out na ako.
Ako rin.
I am last two.
Last one.
Hindi pa tayo nang gali kahalin, ma'am. Hindi, sige. Thank you sa mga gasansakon. Sa mga hindi pa naka-describe to my channel sa YouTube, please describe po. Maraming salamat.
40 followers eh.
Free snacks.
Nagla-lottery pa eh. Nagkakasino pa si Bradley.
Ayan.
Jacqueline Jose.
Grabe yung post.
Hindi ako lalapit. Hindi ako lalapit.
Naka-studio.
Hello po. Hi guys. Oh my God.
Hi, Jacqueline.
Hello, Ma'am Jacqueline.
Hello.
Hello.
Open cam ta, ma'am. Open cam po tayo.
Ay, wait lang. Paano ba to?
Have you seen the camera button?
Meron tayong voice na ito to. Can you please lower down your volume? Diba nag-echo?
Yeah, man.
Ayan. Alright. Justin, maganda naman. Justin, ikaw na bahala.
Hi, Jacqueline.
Hi. Oh my God.
Nasaan ka na ngayon? House na?
Nasa house. Ako, nasa room ko.
Ganun na, ready to sleep.
Yeah. Nakapantulog pa ako.
Uy, ready to sleep na yung mga guests natin. Talagang mukhang hit tong show natin Say goodnight to the guests.
Ano ba kayo, ma'am? Content creator din?
No po. I'm not content creator.
What do you do for a living?
Can you guess?
Oh, I like that game, You're a nurse.
Yes. Wow. Feeling ko clinic niya yung profile ko. Yeah, I'm a nurse.
Uy, hindi ko click profile mo.
Yeah.
Ay, hindi. Ang galing.
Pero nahulaan ko lang ng nurse ka.
Okay. Yeah,
so, kamusta na work mo?
Actually, I'm not working pa. Kasi kakapas ko lang ng board exam last year. Then ngayon, magbo-board exam ako sa US.
Okay. So ngayon, sa Manila ka base?
Yeah, sa Manila.
Oh.
That's why marami akong ganyan sa wall.
Nag-study ka?
Yeah, nag-study ako. Then napadpad lang ako para mag-watch. Then na-click ko ata.
So, on break ka ngayon, basically?
Yeah. Katatapos ko
After
lang.
netong call, study ka ulit.
Yeah, mag-study ulit.
Oh, Parino, kita mo, may natutulungan tayo.
Busy ako kakanood kay Chef Nini. Sige, mag-talk na.
Ganda ako eh. May question ka ba sa amin, Jacqueline?
Wala naman po.
Baka may mga gusto kong ask.
Healthy lahat.
Ano po yung work nyo? Ha?
Work? Ganoon kami, mga chef.
Chef kayong lahat?
Hindi ko yan, ma'am.
Ay, hindi po ikaw, chef.
Chef lang kuya from HM to education. Nag-chef ko sa course.
Oo.
Sige, mag-usap tayo kayo dyan. Dito lang ako manonood lang sa...
May question ka ba? Ang galaw ng camera mo, Jacqueline, no?
Doga musical.
Camera eh, no?
Si Ma'am Jacqueline, Doga musical.
Musical? Oo, yun.
Wait lang, ayos.
Musikalita.
Grabe yung skincare ni Jacqueline, ha?
TikTok na subong. Tapos na musicali. Tama na. Sorry. Nara na. Sige.
Sorry po.
2x2 na, ma'am?
2x2 na, ma'am.
Gusto mo na single or ready to
Sige na, ganito ka, ma'am.
May question si Chef. Single ba daw si Jacqueline?
Yes.
Oo, tama yan. Studies first. Huwag kang mag-boyfriend muna.
Nagcha-charge mo ba kayo ng phone, Miss Jacqueline?
Nawala.
Hindi, kasi baka may nakasaksak na cord kaya sumasayaw ang phone.
2x2.
Screenshot, no? 2x2.
Sino mag-screenshot, ma'am?
Pa-screenshot ka. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you.
Good night.
Thank you, Miss Jacqueline Pascual Dormido.
Okay, may isa. Last na. May question siya. Sali natin.
Chef Niggy, kaya mo pa?
Kaya pa.
Pagod na si Chef.
Si Amanda.
Si Chef.
Hug naman kay Chef.
Eliza, hello. I always see you comment on my video.
Eliza,
Hi guys. Sorry, I can't open cam lang.
Token dollar.
Because I think the followers is not enough.
That's okay.
It's okay po.
How can we help?
I'm excited. Hi guys, by the way.
Hello.
Okay. Well, actually, because I was watching yesterday's live and Niggy was there. And I remember what you said about like the advice that you want to share with the audience. And I remember you said that love is a choice, right? You always choose to love.
Yeah.
Now my question is, until when are you going to choose to love?
Oh. That's a super nice question, Melissa.
I wasn't ready for this, but I guess if you find the right person, you're gonna choose till the end of time, you know.
But you should have like boundaries between growth and pain, right?
Of course, definitely.
Help me.
Definitely.
Man,
right? So,
help. Call a friend.
Ding, 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 ding. No, I'm kidding.
Ganun siya. The question, guys. Kasi they're so in love eh. You have to excuse my friend. They're so in love that they can't think about how it feels like.
The what ifs.
The what if. Kasi they're so madly, deeply in love with their partner.
Sino? Si Alisa?
Kayo. Kaya diba, mahirap yung question ni Eliza.
Answer it.
That's so tough. I mean,
it's tough.
Yeah. What's your answer to your question?
I think there's a perfect balance for everything, right?
Yeah.
Because you can't just give all in to that one person if you don't reciprocate. I mean, if that person doesn't reciprocate the kind of love that you should be getting for yourself.
Yeah.
Valid. Oh, I have a question, Eliza. Should love be equal? Should love be equal? Or should one partner love more than the other?
No.
Kasi yun yung problem ni Justin dati.
Well, it's not. It's well, because there are times that maybe you can only give 20% and your partner can give the other 80%. But sometimes you can give the 80% and the other person is only just giving you the 20%. If that makes sense. So like there are times that you can give more, and there are times that the other person can give you more. Like ano lang siya.
Give and take.
Yeah, exactly. So it's not every time that this specific person lang yung kayang
magbigay. So how do you draw the boundary in that give and take formula?
Well,
hanggang saan ka?
Before you enter a relationship, you need to know your worth.
Self-worth. We go back to self-worth.
Yeah, because in that sense, you know how to value you and how to value the relationship that you're building together and individually.
That's a very good point. If I may ask, are you single right now?
I'm married.
Oh, you're married. Okay.
I'm married.
What's your advice to Chef? He's about to get married.
Just enjoy every moment. Don't stress yourself too much on being perfect, being together, because every relationship has every relationship that you're gonna face things that you don't really expect. Because I've been married for 7 years. I've been in a relationship for 7 years then, so altogether we're like 14 years. 14 years now. But yeah, and that person honestly is the person that he's the least talaga that I like. But for some reason, like what Niggy said, you always choose to love. So even though that person is not giving you those things na gusto mo makita in the person, but if you choose to love him, then your relationship will last.
Yeah, that's love. That's love.
That's true love. Yeah.
Marina, you're so deep in the thinking.
So tonight, before you sleep, choose to love, Marina.
Choose to love.
Choose to love, yeah.
Choose to love, yes.
Can I interrupt, Sean? Sorry, I mute myself because the rats above our roof is asking for the cheese and it's not available. Anyway, I love the story behind. I love the.
Thank you.
I love the knowledge. I love the emotion. That it's perfection to the power of 10. But anyway, it's the same opinion that is coming.
Hindi ko kaya sabayan si Marina.
Because you guys are talking to me and you're like, and then I'm gonna like to listen.
You are confusion. Your confusion.
I'm a little bit of confusion.
Okay.
But it's very well said. So said it today.
Siguro sa experience na din,
Yeah. Tama naman.
Yeah.
Si Chef,
Great question.
Si Chef, ganun siya doon. Mabigat siya pa rin.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you for dropping by.
Thank you. Nice to see you.
Thank you, Miss Eliza.
Thank you, guys. Bye.
You are such. Always remember that you are such to be the best version of yourself every single moment.
That's true. That's true. Thank you. And congrats, Nikki and Fear.
Are you not 2x2 with us?
Just 2x2 yourself, and I'll just click the 2x2 on myself. What?
Okay, post yourself in the FB. 2x2 post. A screenshot. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you, Miss Eliza.
Bye.
And yeah, I think that concludes episode 3.
Yeah.
Choose to love.
Choose to love. We end
Love yourself.
We end tonight with a beautiful quote from Miss Eliza. Choose to love. Love yourself. Any kind of love.
Find the balance. And don't be attached just to it.
What is your takeaway tonight? Is everyone gonna share their
takeaway? Is the Jamie.
What?
Basta ako mag-share.
The Jamie. May
Oh,
takeaway.
buhulain naman ang takeaway, ah. Expired na ang Junisa, ha?
Kopa.
Expired na ako.
Good night, Chef.
Good night.
Good night.
Night.
See you next time.
Bye,
See you in the
Farina.
personification.
Good night, everybody.
Thank you for
Prepare the future for me. Niana.
Good night.
Good night, good night.
Ano?
Farina, you will go on live yourself?
No, it depends. I am gonna go myself now.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
I'm gonna wait.
Okay.
I am gonna update you of the calendar of events for the visitation.
Oh, yes. We will love to tour guide yourself. In the...
Yes. Thank you so much. Sa mga hindi pa nag-follow, please follow. Sa mga hindi pa nag-describe
Grabe
to my
yung mga
channel.
pagpa-follow na yan.
Guys, may
Talagang
YouTube
follow
na po
sila,
ako. Baka gusto nyo lang naman magnood ng YouTube. Baka lang naman ako.
Yes. Farina uploaded her first vlog on YouTube. Support.
Farina G pa kayo.
Yes. Congrats.
Bye-bye.
Bye.